Hello everyone, my name is Tatiana Paola Polo Ferrer. Today I'm going to talk about lesson plan adolescent and adult. Lesson plan adolescent. The lesson plan is for grade 6 group adolescent level A2 learning strategy, cognitive strategy, topic present simple. Object, the student identify the present simple by carrying out different practical activities. Voilà. To start the topic of the present simple place the student in English mode, the teacher will place a video about the daily routine. The student will be asked to repeat with the video. Presentation. In order to present the subject to the student, some video about the present simple, 10 flashcards on daily routines will be present, and a series of examples will be made with them. In addition, an example about the present simple will be carried out on the board. Practice. The student will be taken to the computer room where they will be asked to enter the next page, English hyphen. There, they must develop a theory the exercise in the present simple in order to consolidate the knowledge acquired. The exercise will be quite as they are developed. Production. In order to evaluate the activity, the student will be asked to develop a short test using the structure of the present simple, where they talk about the daily routines. Then they will be asked to read the test to their classmates. Finally, the teacher will ask the student to write 10 sentences on a shred of paper using the present simple rules. Lesson plan template adult. The lesson plan is for grade 8 level B1, learning strategy, cognitive strategy, topic, future, going to. Objective, identify the future by going to the realization of different practical activities. Where to start the topic of the future, we're going to place student in English mode. The teacher will ask the student what they are going to do for the weekend. The some flashcard will be present and some example of the subject will be given. Presentation. To present the subject to the student, some video about the future will be present. Practice. A student will be taken to the computer room where they will be asked to enter the following page, English hyphen. There, they will have to develop a series of exercises in the future with going to, in order to consolidate the knowledge acquired. The exercise will be why as they are developed. Production. A contest will be held in which 4 working groups will be formed. The teacher will present the student with one of the flashcards, and the student for a team must write a sentence in the future. A point will be given to the team that write the sentence in the less time. Absent. To evaluate the activity, the student will be asked for growth of the 3 students and to develop a dialogue in which they their classmates what their plans are for the week. The dialogue should be present to all classmates. The teacher will present an example of the activity to the student. Thanks for your attention.